Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can rig the character by using Auto Rig Pro add-on and how we can use the Mixamo website to download these character manually and import these characters in FBX format into the Blender and rig these character by using Auto Rig Pro add-on. Open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Now I import the downloaded character which I download from Mixamo. So go to the file and in import I download this character in FBX file format. So here select our directory. Here I download this character and import this character into the Blender. Beautiful. And I select the default rig when I download this character. So I delete this rig and I move this character along, select all and press R X 90 degree to move this character along X axis. So now I view this character in front view and enter into the shading viewport. Here you can easily watch this character with cloth. And now I add rig to this character by using Auto Rig Pro add-on. So for that I press N to open this panel and here I select Auto Rig Pro add-on. And from here I select all the meshes of this character and in Auto Rig Pro Smart I choose the get selected objects and here I select full body. So the Auto Rig Pro add-on open the option. Here I add these points to this character. So add neck, here I add neck here and add chin, something a little above from the neck point and add shoulders here, wrist, something like here and add spine and at last I add the ankles. Beautiful. I also want to add the facial rig to this character. For that I select facial setup. Beautiful. Now I change these point manually to accurate the facial setup. So for that select this point and also hit the x-axis mirror and press G to move this point. You can watch the points are moving to the both sides and also this point is something like here and select this point and also move this point here. Now select the setup to the eyebrow here, something like here and I also set the eyes of this character. Beautiful. Now set the mouth and also select this point and move something like here and below lips Beautiful. Now I set the facial point setup, and here I select the facial setup of this character, and here is the magic button. Now I press go button, and you can see the armature is added to this character. Nice, beautiful. And now I add match to rig. This uh, this button can convert these armature, these bones, into the controllers of this character. So enter the match to rig option here. Nice. Now if I move this controller, enter into the pose mode and move this controller, you can see that the controller move while the arm does not move, because I bind these controller with the mesh of this character. So for that, back to the object mode. Here I select the mesh and enter into the skin, and here I select the option bind button. So I bind this this controller with the rig. Beautiful. After binding this rig with this character, you can now enter into the pose mode, and here you can see when I select the controllers and move these, the arm is moved. Nice. Now our character is fully rigged with Auto Rig Pro, and I enter into the, and now we can animate this character. Beautiful. You can animate this character by using these controllers, and here are the eyes setups of this rig, and you can here rotate the eyes of this character, and also move these eyes. Back to the object mode, only select the rig and then again pose mode. You can easily see the effect. Nice. And I also, here I on this mirror option, and I animate the arms of this character. Beautiful. You can select and also animate the leg of this character, and when I turn off this option, and now only this leg is moved up and down. So in this way you can easily rig your character by using Auto Rig Pro add-on, and you can download this character and also many characters from Mixamo website. Here are many animations of the pre-rigged character, and also you can download from this tab the new character only meshes in meshes form. So thanks for watching.